For this experiment, we need 2 glass cups, boiled eggs, water, and cola drink. Let's see what to do. Here we have 2 glass cups. Pour water in the first cup, cola drink in the second cup. Let's pour water almost half filled. Then the cola drink pour almost half filled. Then take 2 hard-boiled eggs. Imagine the boiled egg is our 2. Place 1 egg in each of the cups. Leave these cups overnight. Next day, the eggs take carefully and observe what happens. We have to notice that the egg left in cola becomes brown because of the effect of chemicals. In the same way, our teeth becomes yellow because of the effect of food left over on our teeth.